Hello everyone, I am Shaheen. I'm 23 and I haven't achieved anything in my life as of yet. Unlike any other person, I had a lot of expectations from myself. I used to think that at this age मेरे पास अपना घर होना चाहिए, अपनी गाड़ी होनी चाहिए. I should be making 6 figures a year. I just wanted to make my parents feel proud. But instead, currently, I am confused in my career. I do not have any clarity. I am struggling in a low paying job which I absolutely hate doing. I'm making this video because I thought a lot of youngsters who are 23 or maybe 25 might also think the same way. They also think that at this age they should have been a successful businessman, an entrepreneur, a founder, a coach, or someone who is a lot successful in their life and who has achieved everything. I used to think the same way until I realized I was wrong. But before you judge me, I want you to listen to me carefully. So you see, earlier at the time of our parents, हमारे पापा और दादा के टाइम पे they had only a few people to compare themselves with, like their cousin, their brother, their neighbor, or someone living a few miles away from their home. These were the people they used to compare themselves with. But now you have millions of people to compare yourself with. As soon as you open your phone, as soon as you open Instagram or any other social media platform, you see that 23 or 24-year-old guy who is a founder or a businessman or a coach or an entrepreneur. They are making thousands of money, they are living in the best phase of their life, they are traveling the world, they are visiting different countries, they are living the life that you have always wanted to. This is exactly what I used to think. As soon as I opened that social media app, I used to constantly start comparing myself with them. And I would find myself inferior, mediocre. मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना कि मैंने अपनी लाइफ में कुछ किया ही नहीं है, मुझे भी बहुत कुछ करना है और मुझे भी उनकी तरह ही सक्सेसफुल होना चाहिए. और अगर मैं ऐसी नहीं हूँ तो जो भी हो रहा है वो सही नहीं हो रहा है. At that point, I took a pause and I asked myself a question. Is this fair to compare yourself with millions of people out there? It took me way too long to realize that what I was saying was only one side of the coin. What you don't see is that 23-year-old guy might have had a supportive background. He might have had supporting parents, strong background, और मे बी उनको अपने पेरेंट्स से इतना सपोर्ट मिला होगा कि वो अब तक यहाँ पहुँचे. और कुछ भी हो सकता है, ज़रूरी नहीं कि उन्होंने वो सब कुछ खुद ही किया हो. What is happening right now is that people are showing only the perfect phase of their life. What they are not showing is the struggle behind it, how they went there, who helped them on their journey towards getting there. And that is when I completely stopped comparing myself with those successful people. Recently, I came across a post of my favorite YouTuber where he was talking about how long it took him to become an entrepreneur from zero. And I was quite surprised to see that at my age, he had not even started his career. In fact, he was still figuring out. He became an entrepreneur when he was 30. What I think कि जो मेरे पास अभी होना चाहिए, it took him the age of 30 to get there. Now what I believe is that everyone has a different timeline to get where they want to be in their life. Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, he became the richest businessman of Russia at the age of 40. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, succeeded with his app at the age of 35. And I don't think if I need to even talk about the founder of KFC. He became successful when he was 62. Some people buy their first home at the age of 40 while others get it at the age of 24. So what I want to say here is everyone has a different timeline to achieve certain things in their life, and if you haven't achieved anything yet, it is absolutely fine. Now I have completely stopped using social media app. Now I don't compare myself anymore with that 24-year-old successful founder. Instead, I have started focusing on my life. And that is exactly what I want you to do for yourself. It is absolutely fine if you are 25 or 26 and you haven't achieved anything that you wanted to in your life. Maybe you will achieve it when you are 28. Maybe you will achieve it when you are 30. All you have to do is just stay consistent and never give up. That is exactly what I am doing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video motivated you in some way, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel.